Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Sinnickson and I am a PhD student at the University of Florida. Over the past 2 years, I've been studying the Suwannee River estuary in order to assess the impact of forage fish and climate change on sport fish populations. The Suwannee River is located along the Big Bend of Florida's Gulf Coast. The estuary has become of research interest because of the expansion of tropical species into this historically temperate environment. In particular, milder winters have allowed for the colonization of mangroves and snook, which are representative of tropical flora and fauna. In order to conduct this research, I've been using an ecological modeling software, EcoPath with EcoSim, to model the predator-prey relationships within the estuary's fish community. To analyze these interactions, we collected diet compositions of all species within the estuary. Within the field of fishery science, there has been growing attention around the concept of forage fish, which are simply fish that serve as important prey items for predatory fish that are valued commercially and recreationally. Our research focused on studying anchovies, which are the most abundant forage fish in the Suwannee River estuary. To test the impact that anchovies have on predatory fish, we simulated different abundances of anchovies to see how the populations of predatory fish responded to the changes in anchovies. The graph here represents responses in 3 predatory fish. Snook are represented in gold, sea trout in black, and redfish in red, with respect to changes in anchovy populations. The results of our simulations revealed that predatory fish generally benefited from an increase in prey items, but not always. One exception to this was represented by redfish. This species appeared to be more negatively impacted by competition with sea trout and snook predators than benefited by an increase in anchovy prey. Another exception would be the decrease in sea trout biomass at high populations of anchovies. Sea trout are not only a predator of anchovies, but are also a prey item for snook. It appears that when anchovies become very abundant, snook benefit significantly and they begin to exert a high amount of predation upon sea trout, which limits the sea trout population. We believe that there are important implications for this research. In recent years, many fisheries management institutions have begun to realize the importance of forage fish on general ecosystem functioning. Forage fish conservation has been implemented in fisheries such as the Atlantic herring and menhaden fisheries with the intention of increasing predator populations. Although the anchovies of the Suwannee estuary are not commercially harvested, conservation can be implemented in other ways, such as through habitat restoration and minimum flow requirements of the Suwannee River. In conclusion, this model demonstrates the complex predator-prey interactions that are represented within fish communities. We observe the important role that anchovies play within the ecosystem, as well as the significant impact that snook have on other species as a new colonizer of this ecosystem. Thank you.